Nico's living. Put me on that camera.
Come with me to Osun State for my dad's birthday and some other important stuff, you guys. I just happen to be a daughter of a governor, which is amazing. I love my dad. He's doing an amazing job for our state. So yeah, I'm excited to bring y'all along with me. My brother y'all know him as B-Red, picked me up. The first thing we did was headed straight to the government house. My brother was showing me around. He was showing me a statue of my late uncle Tunji. You guys, he was a governor also before my dad. Look at Israel and Sade already there. They're already in Osun before us. So anyway, pulled up, and of course they showed so much love. You guys, it's nothing like, there's no other feeling like being home. Like, I just can't explain it. It just reminds me of when we used to come visit my grandmother. Oh my goodness, you guys, as children, because you guys know I was raised in Nigeria, right? But anyway, this was my first time being at the government house after they renovated and everything. So it was just nice to see, all the improvements, you guys. And it's so beautiful now. I just love it. This is so funny. They are not playing with security. But anyway, we were looking for my dad. They were just showing me around. It was really beautiful. So proud. The boys gave him some pre-birthday gifts. I gave him some pre-birthday kisses. I'm dropping our video in a few days. That video we did. Of course, Sade rushed over when she knew we were here. I was watching her on the security cameras. You guys, it took me a while to do this voiceover because I literally lost my voice from this trip to Osun. Like, I couldn't even talk. You guys were messaging me, begging me for this voiceover, and I'm like, I can't talk. As soon as I started feeling a little better, look at me. I was just around here like, this is my daddy house. Let me eat something. I enjoyed myself. So then after that, we wanted to take like a proper tour of the government house. Look at me kissing my daddy. Y'all, I honestly haven't asked anyone if I'm allowed to post this, so we'll see if it's still up, if I was allowed to post it or not. But anyway, we decided to take a proper tour, and it's so beautiful. Like, you guys don't understand how they transformed this place. We heard my dad was having a meeting at the presidential lodge, so we were like, let's go and crash their meeting. And my dad actually loved it. He loved seeing us. And as soon as we walked in, we met the former president, Obasanjo. This was so nostalgic for me because I remember when the bomb blast happened. This was my first time watching a president speak live, or being like, wow, that's the president. And he was so nice, you guys. So nice. And then we greeted the kings. Our dad is always watching us when we greet people, and if he thinks that we don't greet them well, he will send us back, like, go and greet them again. But yeah, okay, so the king was telling us about how a long time ago he took us to go and see Lagbaja, and we were just reminiscing and everything. You guys, I had to bring my makeup artist with me. Bola, I love her. Had to get some ogbono soup. Like, you guys know I'm a foodie. Bola, come and share your face. Yeah. When I come to Osun, I always stay at my Auntie Dupe's house because I just love it and they treat me so well. Anyway, headed back to the government house to have like a birthday party for my dad, because obviously we're bringing it into the next day. Auntie Dupe, my favorite auntie, you guys. And guess who was performing? Honestly, it's always going to be a vibe hanging out with my family. It was just nice for us to be together and celebrate my dad's new age. Even editing this was such a joy because I just feel like I'm reliving every other moment. Sade and I were turning up. It's so nice seeing everybody, and they have so many stories to tell me about when I was a child and how I used to be. It's just so amazing, guys. So yeah, I chilled there for a little bit and everybody else left me and went to the poolside. So I was like, okay, let me go look at Israel crazy self. Anybody that, if you want to be hyped up, just go around Israel. He'll hype you up very, very well. But yeah, anyway, I went to go check out the poolside and it was so beautiful. One thing about me, I love to make an entrance, and I found this chef on the way walking to record me, and he did a great job.
Yo, they was living, bring it up. We want to be here. Giving them, they want to be here too.
See. She did that, supposed to be just hijacked it from the job.
We out here. Show yourself.
Yeah, show yourself.
I just love how supportive my family is. You guys, they were hyping up the chef that helped me record. They're like, show yourself now, get your shine. He was. You guys, we were cracking up. Thank you guys for watching Nico's Living. Stay tuned for the second episode, day 2 in Osun. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.